Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video we are going to see how we can make the cross references in Microsoft Word. So if you want to reference a particular heading to a particular table or a figure or a picture or a specific paragraph, here's how you can do it. So that's a very important thing, especially if you're making some projects or some college assignments. This is a very important thing to do. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we need to do is on the top corner, we have the references tab. Just click here and make sure that you have already selected that particular area where I want to cross-reference. For example, in the introduction, I want to cross-reference it to this particular table or the key drivers for EV adoption. So if you want to reference to that, we want to place our cursor here. Just click here at the end and go to the references, and here it says cross references, and it is a complete description showing that it refers to a specific places in your document such as headings, figures, and tables. Cross reference is a hyperlink where the label is automatically generated. It's great if you want to include the name of the thing you're referencing. So that's what we want to do. Just click here and we want to cross-reference the numbered items. As you can see, this heading is numbered, so I want to choose that, and let's say that I want to refer it to the last paragraph, so I want it to be included as the paragraph number with no context, with full context, or paragraph text. So let's say that I only want to refer it to paragraph with no context, and I want to refer the number item to the fourth point, let's say. So let's click on insert, and if we include only the paragraph number and insert that. Now I've removed that, and let's try a different thing, paragraph text, and let's now refer to it, and it will insert a complete heading reference. So if we want to skip that, we want to press Ctrl Z, and let's include actually in the brackets, and here we want to put our reference, cross reference. It's all numbered items, and we want to refer it to fourth point with full context. Click on insert and close out of here. Now this is used as a hyperlink to follow the link as well. So for example, you read the introduction and you want to know further details about it. So it will directly move it to the fourth paragraph or a figure or a table, whatever you have referred it to. Just hold the control key and now it will be clickable. So as soon as we click here, it should take us to the fourth point or fourth heading. That is this one. And that's how it works. So I want you to practice it by yourself so that you can try different functions and you can learn more about it. So that's how you can make the cross references in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on Microsoft Word, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.